Hi, my name is Rick Bennington, new product development team member with Superior Transmission Parts. Today I'd like to show you how to use our new K0110 secondary shaft oil collar and bearing remover. This puller is used on late model 5-speed BCLA family of 5-speed 4-cylinder transmissions and the V6 model BDKA and MDKA 5-speed automatic transmissions. Your kit will contain your puller core, 2 plungers, crossbar, pipe, threaded rod and nut, 2 shims, your plunger expander, and a long screw. Before you install the shims, it's always best to mark the bearing or the case so you can reference where the oil feed holes are going to be on your oil collar. Okay, your first step is going to be to install both of the shims, 180 out from one another, in between the bearing and the oil collar. Now we're going to prepare the puller core and plungers by installing the plungers with the small lands out and pushing them in. Because we're working on a V6, we're going to be using the upper holes today on this case. Next, we're going to drop the puller core into the case. Next step, and this is the trickiest part of the whole installation of the puller, is to put the plunger expander in, lift and slightly turn the puller core until it drops all the way in. If you're not sure if the plungers have expanded into the feed holes of the oil collar, all you need to do is look down the hole with a flashlight to ensure that the plungers have gone and you can't see them anymore. Now drop your plunger back in, install your pipe on top, install the crossbar. Now we're going to screw the threaded rod into the puller core, about 10 threads. Tighten it down with a wrench. And out it comes, just that easy. Now you can unthread the threaded rod from the puller core, move the upper bearing, and we're going to push both of our plungers back in, removing the oil collar from the puller core. At this point, if you find that the inside diameter of the oil collar is not worn from the sealing rings, you can use a bench buddy brush to resurface the inside diameter. You're ready to replace your O-rings, remove the lower bearing on these V6 models, and you're ready to put this case into the cleaning machine to continue with your rebuilding process.